Let's have a difficult conversation today, guys. What are some of the things you should prioritize when you're looking for a plastic surgeon or for plastic surgery services? This is a very sensitive, let me say, but a very necessary conversation. It may seem easy or duh, but it's not. So let's go into it. So when you're looking for a plastic surgeon or plastic surgery services, make sure you go to a facility that is certified by the Medical Council. And by this, I'm talking about the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council. This is the medical body that governs all medical facilities. They ensure that they go to these clinics or facilities that they are capable of offering these services to the T or to how they should be, and they give them licenses. So for you to do this, the Medical Council has a website. You can look up the name of your facility and make sure that they are certified. If not, you can go to the facility itself. They should have a certificate given by the Medical Council, framed and hung on the wall. So that's number one. Please do your homework. Remember, this is your body and it's up to you to take care of it. Number two, look out for your surgeon and make sure that your surgeon is board certified. As surgeons, all of us, including myself, I am board certified. This means you have gone through rigorous training as an undergraduate, and then for the specialty, this is plastic surgery, you have done your postgraduate training in a facility or a school that is trained to offer plastic surgery residency training. After that, you're trained for another 2 years under a qualified plastic surgeon, and then you get your papers. So for you to ensure that your surgeon, your plastic surgeon, is board certified, you have two options again. You could go to the Medical Council and type in the name of your surgeon. They will appear there with a specific number, or you could go to the website of our umbrella society, which is www.plasticsurgeons.co.ke. Please, again, and I will do this during this entire video. Make sure you do your homework and check who you're about to consult. Number three, when you go to your facility, make sure it's a facility that is well equipped, that has equipment that can assist the surgeon to do what they're supposed to do. Make sure that the facility is clean. Remember, we are human beings and we always have an instinct. So when you enter into a facility, you will always know this is the right place or this is not the right place. The location. These are small things, but at the end of the day, they really come into play. Next, if, for example, you want to have Botox administered to you, it is not too much to ask that, can I see the product? Because it's very important to make sure that you're getting a legitimate or a legit product. Nowadays, we have very many counterfeit products. It's not only in other industries, but also in the medical industry. So make sure that you're getting a legit product. You could have a conversation with your surgeon or the person administering the product. Just make sure that it's legit. The reason why I'm emphasizing this is that you want to have longevity of the result of that product. And also you do not want to have something foreign or something that is not good being administered to you. Next is we want to ensure that we have a consultation done before any procedure is done to you. Remember, a consultation is a process whereby you sit down with your surgeon, you tell them what you want to be done to you. For example, let me pick up liposuction. So you sit down with your surgeon, you discuss, I want to have liposuction done. Your surgeon will explain the procedure, what you will go through, the risks associated with liposuction. A qualified personnel will not shy away from telling you the truth. Discussing the risks does not take them away. It just means they are there, and there are things as qualified personnel we do to minimize the risks. But it is important as the person seeking the service that you know that it could happen. So kindly do not go in for a procedure without having a proper consultation. During the consultation, you also get to discuss the prices, you get to discuss about the aftercare, you get to discuss about the recovery process. If you have any questions that you need to ask, all these are done during the consultation. Sometimes you can have even up to 3 consultations before undergoing the actual procedure. So kindly always go in for a consultation before the procedure. Something else that you should also make sure that you have in mind when it comes to safety is the aftercare. Most of the times you will find that you could have a procedure done, and then after the procedure you are abandoned and you look like you're lost. Personally, I always say that surgery is 20% and aftercare is 80% when it comes to the eventual result, because aftercare is very important. This will include things like lymphatic massages. This will include things like pain control, reducing the bruising and swelling. In a qualified facility or working with qualified personnel, they will always discuss the aftercare with you. So this is something very important. Something else that you should look out for is your surgeon. Do they have footprint? This could be digital footprint. It could be that they're in the medical council website. Always make sure that they are known. You could always ask another surgeon, do you know of so and so? Yes, I do. These are some of the things. I would like to call them red flags. Again, I will emphasize, you have only one body. You should take care of your body and always make sure that the surgeon that you choose, the facility that you choose will cater for you and to their level best.